Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing how I remove bikini hair, what products I use, how I use them, everything. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, to be very honest, growing up no one told me how to remove bikini hair or what products to use or how to use them, nothing. I discovered everything by myself through ads and videos and friends. So I feel like this kind of videos are very helpful, especially for the growing up girls. And on my channel there are many growing up girls. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So to start with, there are many methods and ways to remove bikini hair. You can use trimmers, razors, waxing, hair removal cream. Now out of all these options, I always go for and I will always be going for hair removal creams. They are the best and the easiest way to remove bikini hair. No pain, no cuts, no razor bump issue, no ingrown issue, nothing. But the worst part about hair removal cream is their disgusting smell, and with some products skin darkening problem. Now I have used 2 to 3 different hair removal creams. The disgusting smell is constant in all of them, and one of them gave me the skin darkening problem as well. Then I came across this Evertine Bikini Line hair removal cream. This is the product that I am using currently, and I am in love with this product because this product cancel out both the problems that I have with hair removal cream. It does not have that disgusting smell and it does not darkens your skin, so it's a win-win product for me. Now I won't lie, yes, it does not have that disgusting smell, but it does have a very mild smell which is pleasant, do not worry. Also, it has natural chamomile extract, plus it is designed for sensitive skin. It is a sensitive skin formula cream, so no irritation, no itching, nothing, no worries. Okay, let me just quickly open this box and show you guys what all you get. So the first thing you get is the hair removing cream tube, and then you get a manual. Do read the instructions if you are using it for the first time or you don't know how to use it. And then you get a spatula to apply the cream, and then you get this tablet size cotton towels. Now they are very easy to use. To use them, just take some water in a mug, open it from the packet and dip it in the water, and it will just blow up and open up to a cotton towel. Also, these cotton towels opens up in the water and becomes quite big. I didn't expected them to be that big, and you get 2 of them. One I have already used. Now how to use it? It is very simple and very easy. Just use it how you use your regular hair removal cream. First, wash your bikini area with warm water and then pat dry. Then take the cream, a generous amount of it, and apply it all over your hair. And then leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can use the towel that you got with this cream, or you can just use any soft towel, clean towel, and just wipe it out. Now wipe it out as in not just wipe it out, just apply a very small amount of pressure and then wipe it out, and your hairs will come out very easily. After that, you can wash with cold water and then pat dry and use some aloe vera gel. Few things to keep in your mind are: number 1, do not apply the cream where there is no hair in your bikini area. Do not just take the cream and roughly apply it everywhere. Use your fingers instead of the spatula so that you can have more control where to apply the cream and where not. Number 2 is that the cream works on your hair root. It weakens the root so that the hair comes out. So if you have longer hair, just trim it down and then use the cream for better result. Number 3, do not use any soap or shampoo to clean the area after removing the hair. Number 4, wear cotton panties or just go commando. Do not wear panties for 24 hours. Just let the skin breathe. Number 5, do not use any lotion or cream that have chemicals. Just go for aloe vera gel. So now let's talk about the price of this product. So the price of this product is 149 rupees. Also, I will be leaving all the buying links in my description box. You can click there and buy this product for yourself. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.